Today I am going to share beef tripe recipe. It's so delicious and tasty recipe. Beef tripe. Beef tripe cleaned and washed. Cut into small pieces. Beef tripe put in a boiling water. Add turmeric powder. Mix. Boil 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove beef tripe. Let it cool. Cut it small pieces. Done. Mustard oil a half cup. Cloves. Cinnamon sticks. Cardamom. Star anise. Onion a half cup. Stir. Garlic paste. Ginger paste. Sauté 1 minute. Turmeric powder. Chili powder. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. Garam masala. Little bit water. Mix. Chopped tomato. Salt to taste. Cook 5 minutes. Add boiled beef tripe. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Stir after sometimes. Add hot water. Cover and cook until well done. Almost done. Preparing purone. Oil, a 1/3 cup. Green chili. Onion a half cup cube. Garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup. Fry light brown. Add purone to the beef tripe. Mix. Cook 2 minutes. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.